So guys, this is about GME, Graduate Marine Engineering course. If you are a mechanical engineer, you have done BTech Mechanical Engineering, and or if you have done any engineering but it is got mechanical, say some people say mechatronics, but in your degree it should mention mechanical plus electronics, that is what is mechatronics, then it is fine, but mechanical has to mention. So this is about Graduate Marine Engineering. So भैया ये 1 साल का कोर्स है जो कि आपने जब बीटेक मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग कंप्लीट कर रहे थे उसके बाद you go for this graduate marine engineering course, which is a 1-year course. This has to be done by a DG approved college, but sorry, there is this app, lovely app called Merchant Navy Start app, lakhs of downloads, trustworthy source, where it does not just mention colleges जो कि DG approved है, but वो अपनी लिस्ट बनाता है कि मैं ये colleges recommend करता हूँ, वहाँ से कीजिए. वो हमारा ही ऐप है, तो प्लीज अभी मैं उसके बारे में बात करूंगा. This GME course is designed for mechanical engineers and naval architects, those who want to convert देयर फ्रॉम engineers टू मरीन engineers. कॉपीड गाइस, 1 साल कोर्स है. लोअर कॉस्ट देन बीटेक मरीन इंजीनियरिंग. सो अगर आपने से नॉर्मली अ बीटेक मरीन इंजीनियरिंग फ्रॉम IMU campus is cost 11 lakh rupees. So now a GME from a good college can cost from 4 to 7 lakhs. I do not know how many BTech mechanical engineering colleges cost less than 5 lakh rupees. I guess it's not possible. So मैं ये नहीं बोलूँगा कि lower cost than BTech Marine Engineering, but yes, BTech Marine Engineering can cost minimum as 11 lakh rupees and maximum it can go to 26 lakh rupees as well. But अगर आपके पास if you're a 12th class student, if you have got an option, go for BTech Marine Engineering. Say you have already done mechanical engineering, then the option left is graduate marine engineering. Tax-free income, faster entry into merchant navy, strong career growth, up to chief engineer, tax-free income. ये सब क्या है यार? देखो, एज अ ग्रेजुएट मरीन इंजीनियर यू डू, अभी आगे मैं इसमें पूरा रोड मैप आपको दिखा दूंगा, डोंट वरी, बट ऑल इन ऑल वांट टू से आई बिकेम अ चीफ इंजीनियर आफ्टर डूइंग बीटेक मरीन इंजीनियरिंग. अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल दे कंप्लीट द बीटेक मैकेनिकल एंड देन दे डू अ GME कोर्स, देन दे गो ऑन शिप एज अ जूनियर इंजीनियर, देन 4th, then 3rd, then 2nd, then chief, and the salary is like a chief here is getting today from $10,000 to $15,000 a month, and for 6 months if you say it becomes around $60,000 a month. $60,000 is around 54 lakh rupees per annum, which is white money. So on land, if you need 54 lakh rupees per annum का पैकेज जमीन पे हाथ में चाहिए तो मिनिमम 80 lakhs per annum का पैकेज होना चाहिए, which is not easy, not everybody one has. Who can apply for GME, BE, BTech in mechanical engineering, naval architecture, ocean engineering graduate? Candidates who want a dynamic career, are comfortable with shipboard life, are medically fit. Medically fit is important. डायनेमिक करियर लाइफ इज नॉट इजी गाइस. जो पैसा मिल रहा है विच यू आर सीइंग इन डॉलर्स, लाखों रुपए की सैलरी जो आपको जमीन पे नहीं दिख रही, इट इज प्योर हार्ड वर्क. सुबह से लेकर रात तक 50 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड टेम्परेचर पे काम करना, इट इज नॉट इजी. लाइफ इज हेल. यू हैव टू रीड, यू हैव टू स्टडी, यू हैव टू वर्क. इट इज नॉट इजी. स्टेइंग अवे फ्रॉम फैमिली इज नॉट इजी. बट एक और चीज आ दो कि जिंदगी भर फैमिली से दूर नहीं रहना है. Once you become a chief and you got married, you can go for sure job opportunities. A lot of sure job opportunities are there. You can try and become a struggling businessman like me. You can try whatever you want. Shipping industry is great that way. Are you comfortable with shipboard life? This you cannot say till the time you go on ship. But all I want to say, it is hell. It is not easy life, and that is why you are getting paid so high. Maximum age limit is 28 years at the course commencement, but for SC/ST it is 5 years relaxation. OBC it is 3 years relaxation. Women candidate 2 years relaxation. Now guys, different companies have got different age criteria, and out here when I talk about GME course, sponsorship is a must. Sponsorship means कि different companies will conduct their own interview, online test, medical, psychometric test, and after that they will select you. Once they are selected, they will send you to their preferred college. There you will pay the fees and then you will study there, but they will give you the job. So no scholarship, just sponsorship, means job in hand even before you join the college. That is very important. So for knowing whether you are eligible for which all companies, colleges, and when is the latest form coming, please download Merchant Navy Start app. That is going to be your technical lifeline. Medical fitness requirement, again, no color blindness is a must. Eyesight can be 6/12 in both eyes, or 6/9 in the good eye and 6/18 in the worst eye. Apart from that, you want to see a DG approved doctor, or you want to know your height and weight, whether the BMI is right or not, whether you are eligible as per height or not, whether you're overweight or not, all these things, or any other query regarding to medical, please again download Merchant Navy Start app, go to the GME section and then go to the medical center, and you will find all your queries answered. Next please. मेडिकल रिक्वायरमेंट मैंने आपको बता दी है, ऑलरेडी डन. Average fees range of a college is from 4 lakh to 7 lakhs depending on college to college, facilities provided. So out here top GME colleges. Now guys, what I am doing is I am going to Merchant Navy Startup just to get the exact idea. So what I am doing is I have gone to Merchant Navy Startup. I am going to the GME section out here. Can you see? So out here it is telling me that the best colleges are Anglo-Eastern Maritime Academy, fees is 6,85,000 rupees. IMS Goa, fees is 6,23,000 rupees. MSc is a company which sends to Coimbatore Marine College, fees is 6,10,000. IMEC, it has got companies like V-Ships, BSM, Unix, sends to HM10 Cochin Shipyard. Synergy sends to Cochin Shipyard, 4,75,000 fees. Seven Islands sends its people to C-SPAN, V-Ships and its own company, Seven Islands as well, fees is 6,58,000. Samudra sends to Executive Ship Management, fees is 7 lakh rupees. Fleet Management to IIM Noida, fees is 6,32,000 rupees. So ये सिर्फ 5 कॉलेज लिखे हैं. एक्चुअली ये ऐप पूरा अपडेटेड है. सी वीडियो यू माइट बी वॉचिंग 1 year later, 8 months later, I do not know, but all I know is this app will be upgraded and updated every single time. आगे बढ़ते हैं गाइस. स्पॉन्सरशिप के बारे में आपको बता दिया. इट मींस जॉब सिक्योरिटी, रिटन टेस्ट, साइकोमेट्रिक टेस्ट, इंटरव्यू, मेडिकल. नाउ यू वांट टू नो अबाउट ऑल दिस थिंग्स. मर्चेंट नेवी स्टार्ट ऐप, everything about the psychometric test, the interview, the medical vlog, everything is there guys. One stop solution. Sponsorship is a must. So you do a graduate marine engineering course. It's a 1 year course. इसमें some colleges company से 1 year पूरा college में करो, some से 8 months in college, 4 months on board ship. Then you come back, you go for again 6 months on board ship as a junior engineer. Then you come back, you give your class for exams. Class for part B, 6 written, 4 orals. You clear that, then you go as a 4th engineer on board ship. You sail there. After you completed your 12 months sea time, then you are eligible for class 2 exams. You clear that, but you become a 3rd year. Only your company when agrees कि नहीं भैया आप 2 contract हो गए, 3 contract हो गए, now let us make him 3rd engineer. You clear your MEO class 2 exams. Then after 24 months of class 2 sea time, there is certain eligibility out there. Or 12 months as 2nd engineer, total 36 months sea time after 4th engineer. Certain just things telling you are eligible for class 1 exams. Clear those exams, you are eligible for class 1 COC. Now you can become chief engineer. But for becoming a 2nd year on board ship or chief engineer on board ship depends on company to company. How much experience do they need? COC is important. Clearing exams is important. But will you become a 2nd year chief engineer only because of COC? No, it's a compulsion. But company decides that. Having said that, please, mechanical engineers, those who want money, GME can be your course. Comfortable with sea life, मतलब जो लोग हार्डकोर मेहनत करने को तैयार हैं, those who are not afraid of sweating. यार मैं आपको बता दूं, 14 years I've sailed, I was a marine engineer sailing. मैंने कभी जिंदगी में अपना टॉयलेट white नहीं देखा. It was always yellow in color because of all the sweat that used to happen. So it's hardcore life. Mental stability is very important, not easy. But all in all, if you are thinking कि आप जिंदगी भर sailing करोगे, no, it is not right. You can go for a lot of shore job opportunities with a minimum salary. आज के महीने को 36 से लेकर 50 लाख 60 लाख पर एनम तक का पैकेज जा रहा है. Final conclusion: if you are a mechanical engineering guy looking at a hardcore life, more money, and then maybe shore job opportunities, GME can be your cup of tea. Download this Merchant Navy Start app because this is going to be your lifeline. It is going to be your guidance lifeline. It will help you clear your online test. Interview will guide you so that you do not miss out any opportunity. Always remember that. Last but not the least, calculate your eligibility out here. Get the free guidance series to get all the information about medicals, latest form updates out here, and even your medical fitness calculator out here. And last but not the least, if you want to prepare, I want to tell every GME aspirant, see, if you are eligible for the top-notch companies, go join them. So sometimes people are eligible for these companies, but they fail and they join a substandard company. Never do that. If you are eligible for this, join this. You cannot do that yourself. Take professional help. You can always come to SMVD Marine Academy for guidance or even for coaching. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी. कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में. इतने सारे बच्चों, मतलब I would say कि पिछले 2 साल के अंदर more than 150 students have got selected in top-notch shipping companies, barring one. Every student from GME within 6 months, 2 months, 1 month have got selected. There are hundreds of videos on SMVD YouTube channel. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी.